teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to learn how to make fabric wristlet keychains. So the first thing you'll need is a fat quarter. That's what these are called. You can get them at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, different places like that. You'll need a marker, could be a permanent marker. This one is a permanent sewing marker, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. The first step is to measure out your fabric that you're going to use. So it's 14 inches by 3.5 inches was the size that I used. In the link to the video that we're going to have, it has different sizes according to wrist size, so you can go by that as well. The first thing you'll do is fold the fabric in half and iron it. And then take the outside parts, fold them in half, and iron it. Then fold everything together and iron it. So this is the piece you're gonna use. It'll look like this. Then you wanna keep the part of the keychain that you wanna show on the outside with your fabric on the outside, and then put the two pieces together like this and sew back and forth two or three times is what I did, your straight stitch. Then you'll fold it like this and pull some of this up on the fabric. And you're going to sew this down, this part inside, with a straight stitch back and forth 2 or 3 times. Then you're going to fold it like this and do a stitch really close to those 2 folds you made earlier, back and forth. And then you'll have a place to put your key ring. So in the end, it's going to look like this. And of course I did all of this on a sewing machine, so you might be able to do it by hand. I just did it on the sewing machine, and that's all there is to it. See you next time.